Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect your RevenueHunt quiz to Klaviyo and how to send personalized follow-up emails after someone completes your quiz. Let's get started. To send quiz data to Klaviyo, your quiz needs to collect email addresses. Open your quiz in the RevenueHunt Quiz Builder and check if there's an email question. If not, just click Add Question, then choose Email Address. You can also add an email block to an existing slide by selecting it from the Add Block menu. Want to ask for marketing consent? You can add a checkbox under the email field that says something like, I agree to receive marketing emails. Next, connect the quiz to Klaviyo. Open Quiz Settings and find the Integrations tab. Under Klaviyo, we'll need to paste the Klaviyo public API key. To find it, open your Klaviyo account, go to Account Settings, then API Keys, and copy the public API key. Now paste it back into RevenueHunt and save your changes. Your quiz is now connected to Klaviyo. Time to test the connection. Click Preview in the Quiz Builder. Take the quiz as a test user, let's say Alexa, and submit your answers. Make sure to enter a test email and check the marketing consent box if you added one. Now head over to Klaviyo, go to Profiles, and search for the test email. It might take a minute to show up, so refresh the page if needed. Once the profile appears, you should see custom properties like quiz answers and recommended products attached to it. To sort quiz leads in Klaviyo, let's create a segment consisting only of quiz takers. Pick a custom property that all quiz takers would have in their profile and copy it. For example, Answers by Block. Go to Lists and Segments and click Create Segment. Name your segment. Set the segment definition to properties about someone and paste the property that you copied. Define the property as set and click Create Segment. This way, anyone who has taken the quiz will automatically be added to this segment. Now let's create an automated flow that sends quiz results via email. Go to Flows in Klaviyo and create a new flow from scratch. Name it. And set the trigger for the flow to be when a user enters the segment we just created. And now, we're ready to build out the flow. First, you may want to update the lead's marketing preferences property if you have already asked for their consent in the quiz. To do that, add a profile property update step at the beginning of the flow. Set the property name to accepts marketing and the value to true. This ensures Klaviyo knows the user agreed to receive marketing. Next, add an email action below. Give it a subject and select a template. Create a new template. To show personalized quiz results, add an HTML block to your email. Then go back to RevenueHunt, Settings, Integrations, Klaviyo, and copy the sample HTML template code. Paste that code into the HTML block in Klaviyo. Preview the email as your test profile, in our case, Alexa, and see how it looks. This will display the customer's quiz answers, their recommended products, and optionally, the full results page. Remove parts of the code that are not needed and preview the email again. If you want to improve how the email looks, you can style the provided code. You can ask your developer for help. Click Edit Template with AI in the Integrations Klaviyo tab to chat with Quiz Copilot. Or paste the code into another AI helper. Copy the styled code and replace the original HTML in your email. When you're happy with the design, go back to the flow builder. Now, we have to ensure that customers will receive this email every time they retake the quiz. To do that, add another profile property update action below the email. This time, we will choose to delete the existing property and pick a property that will remove them from the segment after they receive the results email. This way, every time they retake the quiz, they will be re-added to a segment and trigger this email flow anew. Make sure to turn your flow live and preview it to check if all steps are covered. Congratulations! Your post-quiz email flow is live and working. Optionally, you can also send quiz takers to a list in Klaviyo. Create a new list in Klaviyo if you don't have one already. Go to List Settings and ensure that the list is a single opt-in list. Next, go back to the RevenueHunt app. Open the quiz settings and under Integrations find Klaviyo. To add quiz contacts to a list, we need to add a private API key. To generate a private API key, go back to Klaviyo, Settings, API Keys, and generate a new private key with full access. Copy the key and go back to the RevenueHunt app. Paste the private API key and save the changes. Then go to the quiz builder and find the email question block. Click on it to open the block settings. Under Klaviyo List, select the correct one and save the changes. Next, make sure to test the connection by previewing the quiz as a new profile. Provide a sample name and email, and get all the way to the results. Go back to Klaviyo Lists and Segments and open the list. Refresh the page to check if a new contact was added. That's it! From now on, all quiz contacts will be added to this list in Klaviyo. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.